A guy asked a girl in a university library, "Do you mind if I sit beside you?" The girl replied with a loud voice, "No, I don't want to spend the night with you." All the students in the library started looking at the guy. He was pretty embarrassed. After a while, the girl walked quietly over to the guy's table and said, "I study psychology. I know what a man is thinking. I guess you felt embarrassed, right?" The guy then responded with a loud voice, $1,000 for one night? That's too much." All the people in the library looked at the girl in shock. The guy whispered, "I guess you felt bad for what you did earlier, right? I study law. I know how to make someone feel guilty."